When it comes to creating a home that's both beautiful and functional, few upgrades are as impactful as installing custom windows. For homeowners in Washington state, custom windows offer the flexibility to match local architectural styles, withstand regional weather patterns, and elevate both comfort and curb appeal. Whether you live in the rain-soaked coastal areas, the colder mountain regions, or the drier eastern parts of the state, choosing the right style and material for your custom windows is key to making the most of your investment. Here's a comprehensive look at the popular window styles and materials available for custom windows in Washington, and how to choose the best combination for your home. Window styles that fit Washington homes. Double-hung windows. Ideal for classic Pacific Northwest architecture, double-hung windows feature two operable sashes that slide up and down. They're easy to clean and allow for excellent ventilation, perfect for rainy days when you want airflow without letting in too much moisture. Best for colonial, craftsman, and farmhouse-style homes. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward with a crank. They seal tightly when closed, offering excellent energy efficiency and weather protection. Their ability to catch breezes makes them popular in both urban and rural areas of Washington. Best for modern and traditional homes alike, especially where maximum airflow is needed. Picture windows. If you live near the water, in the mountains, or have a scenic backyard, picture windows let you frame the view. These fixed windows don't open, but they offer maximum light and visual impact, making them ideal for living rooms or staircases. Best for scenic locations and open concept interiors. Bay and bow windows. These multi-panel windows project outward from your home's exterior, creating a cozy nook inside. Bay and bow windows enhance curb appeal and provide panoramic views, perfect for catching those dramatic Washington sunsets. Best for living rooms, kitchens, or reading corners in larger homes. Awning windows. Awning windows hinge at the top and open outward from the bottom. They're ideal for wet climates like Western Washington, as you can keep them open slightly during rain without letting moisture in. Best for bathrooms, basements, and above larger fixed windows. Window frame materials to consider. Vinyl is one of the most popular window materials thanks to its affordability, durability, and energy efficiency. It resists moisture, perfect for rainy Washington climates, and requires little maintenance. Pros: budget-friendly. It doesn't warp or rot. Good insulation properties. Fiberglass windows are extremely durable and perform well in both cold and hot climates. They're ideal for Washington's temperature fluctuations and can mimic the look of wood without the upkeep. Pros: energy efficient, long-lasting. Can be painted to match any color scheme. Wood-clad windows offer the warmth and charm of real wood on the inside, with a weather-resistant exterior, often aluminum or fiberglass. They're perfect for homeowners who love the look of wood but need protection from the elements. Pros: premium appearance. Customizable finishes. better protection than all wood frame. Aluminum frames are strong and slim, allowing for larger glass panes and minimalistic designs. While they're not the best insulators, newer models offer thermal breaks for improved performance. Pros: sleek, modern look, very durable, low maintenance. Final thoughts: finding the right fit for your Washington home. Choosing custom windows means more than selecting a style you like. It means tailoring your windows to fit your lifestyle, climate, and design preferences. In a diverse state like Washington, that flexibility matters. Work with a trusted local window contractor to explore your options and find the perfect blend of style and material. Whether you're focused on maximizing light, reducing energy bills, or enhancing curb appeal, the right custom windows can completely transform your home, inside and out.